everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create the mermaid braid look. It's so beautiful, so if you would like to learn how to create this look, keep watching this video. It was inspired by the dress that you just saw a clip of just before this video. It's so beautiful and all the lace really inspired me to create this style. So yeah, and they're by Moviani Dresses. I'll leave their website link below for you. They have some really lovely dresses and you can also get them custom made. So if you're a bride and you're looking for your dress at the moment, then check their website out because they have some really lovely dresses and you can also design your own. So yeah, without further ado, I will carry on this video and learn how to create this look.